Okay, we're in business. So, hi.
Hello.
What are we gonna do?
I'm just gonna shoot at that bottle on the ground.
Well, I thought we were gonna shoot the cameraman. He's got 2 seconds to live.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's what the purpose of this.
All right.
When we did this in the past, what happened to the cameraman? Well, we paid his wife $50.
All right, are you gonna count it off?
Yeah. Since I've got a Spanish connection, it's uno, due, tres, fuego. Right?
All right.
All right.
Aim. Okay. Uno, due, tres, fuego. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. We forgot that he's got a loud.
That's nice.
That was nice. Yeah. All right.